Hi everyone, welcome back to Homeschooling. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe our channel and press that notification bell for more interesting videos. Today in this video, I'm going to write about my vision on postcard. So yeah, I wanted to share this video with you guys how I'm writing and everything. So first of all, I made the lines to follow the line. That's why with the pencil I made the lines with the help of the scale. You guys also can do like this. So yeah, and and friends, everybody is watching but not subscribing. Please subscribe the channel so that it will motivate us to make more videos. So here I wrote already. I made the complete lines of front and back side. And now I'm writing here my vision for India in 2047, and the topic is education. So education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the world, right? Next line I'm following, because after the police stop I'm following the next line. I want education to be accessible to everyone in our country, so that our country will become the most educated country. As there is a famous quote, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Once everybody is educated, will not neglect the importance of the environment, and keep it a friendly life. And clean place. Cleanliness is the key to the door of a healthy life. So, my vision for India in 2047 is a educated, clean, and healthy India. So friends, postcard will be very small, so we have to choose the lines very short. I love my India. Jai Hind. And down there you can write your name and your class, your school name, or whatever you can write. You have to write, you can write there. So like this you draw the lines and neatly, and then after I erased these lines. Okay, so you guys also, it will look very nice and clean, if we erase the pencil lines. See, this is how I erased the lines later. Slowly, very slowly I did this. And it was looking very neat, clean. Yeah, these are the lines which I wrote. And this is how you guys also can write on the postcard, my vision for India in 2047, or unsung heroes of freedom struggle. So yes, this is how slowly I erase the lines. See how nice and beautiful it is looking. So yes, this is it, friends. Please subscribe my channel Homeschooling. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.